How to change your Instagram date of birth. Hey everyone, welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I'll show you how you can change your date of birth on your Instagram. So previously, we couldn't change our date of birth from Instagram, so we had to go to Facebook and change our date of birth from there. But if we go to our profile now and then tap on this three dots right over here. Now let's go to edit profile. After that, let's scroll down and then go to edit your about info. Now if we scroll down, there we can see an option named basic info where it also shows our birthday. So if we tap on edit, previously we could change our birthday from here, but now as you can see, it currently says you can choose one of the previous birthday you listed on your profile or timeline. So you simply cannot change your birthday from here. So in order to overcome that difficulty, what we have to do is go to our Instagram app. Now go to your profile icon on the bottom right and then tap on the three lines which is on the top right corner of your screen. Now go to settings and then tap on see more in account center. Now it will take you to this page where you'll have to tap on the option personal details and now tap on birthday. Now it will currently show me my birthday, which is the same for my Facebook account as well as my Instagram account, as they are both linked. So in order to change your birthday, tap on edit and now it will show you your previous birthdays. But if you want to change something beyond that, you'll have to directly contact Facebook or Instagram. So tap on contact us and now you'll have to log into your Facebook account, so simply do that. Now once you've logged in on the browser, simply select your date of birth and now you'll have to provide that this is your actual birthday. So you'll have to submit a proof. It can be your citizenship or your driver license or something like that. So simply choose file, and once you've selected a proof of your birthday, you can simply tap on send and you'll have successfully requested a birthday change, and then your birthday will be successfully changed on your Instagram. So that is basically how you change your date of birth on Instagram or Facebook nowadays. So that was it for this video. Hope this video was helpful to you guys, and if it was, make sure you like this video and subscribe to our channel so that you don't miss out on further videos such as these.